how to recover deleted call logs on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on Settings. In Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accounts and Backup. From here, tap on Restore Data. Next, select your device in the list here. Then in here, we're going to tap on the checkbox right at the top and deselect all the items. After that, we scroll down and select only call logs. Then tap on Restore. Okay, it is now restored, and then tap on Done. Now we go back to our phone application and tap on Recents, and you'll be able to view all your call history again. Okay, so that is the call logs that we have just restored. Also, another thing is if you go into the filter here, sometimes if you tap on certain options in here, it will filter out your call logs, so it only shows some items or none or no items at all. So what you want to do is select all calls so that it does not filter out other calls in the call history logs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.